Welcome everybody to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we are gonna start with some news events which I think are quite important, and the price hasn't done that much as you can see. So yeah, we will start with some news, and before I forget, please like, subscribe and share this page with your friends. So we will start. Yeah, the stablecoins are printing volume. They're printing, and the volume, like the transaction volume, is going up quite a bit as well. It can mean several things, of course. It can mean people are starting to ARB more, like sending it from the one exchange to the other exchange. I do know like it's being used for business to business transactions as well, to avoid banking systems who are slower, or it can mean a lot, or sanctions, avoiding sanctions, because Tether is not regulated in that way. I say Tether, not stablecoins, because the majority is Tether. So you see Joe, the big whale, responding to it here quite sarcastically. On to the other interesting part. It's a Dutch article, and it's about the Iranian currency. They have like a severe case of inflation. The last 5 years it has seen like a 60% inflation rate, and they are like want to stop that. So what they actually want to do is they want to make a new currency and just cut some zeros off of it, and I don't know. It's practically the same, but they just will remove some numbers out of the currency, so they have like normal numbers again. But you don't change the hyperinflation that way. They're just gonna go like Zimbabwe or Venezuela. So that's what happens when you print too much money. You will want to change the name of the currency and remove some zeros. Back to the chart, the Bitcoin USD chart on Bitstamp. As you can see, nothing much has changed. This is of course the really big time frame. That was the pump of 2014. Man, that I will never forget it. It was such a wild ride, so quick, and then all the storm and shit happened with Mount Gox and you name it. Anyway, this is where we are right now. Very important line you see over here. We closed above it, which is very good. You can draw it maybe a little bit different time frames, or like do some chart fitting, but I think this one is correct. And yeah, we closed nicely above it. Of course, you can see some other lines in this. But yeah, for me, this is the big support right now. As you can see on the weekly changed quite good. Another tip on this one seems totally normal for me, and I hope we can maybe we can even put it like this, and then we touch these lines quite nice. And yeah, well, maybe not. So anyway, yeah, it would be nice to stay between these and like really make it a tight range, waiting for another breakout. That's what we're actually waiting for now. We see the halving is in 7 days. That means, let's zoom in a bit, go to the daily chart. That means what is it? 4th of May, somewhere over here will be the halving event, and yeah, let's hope we can stay between those lines. You could of course draw a bit more. You could draw this one. It's running quite parallel with the bigger one. So yeah, and you could always draw something like this as well. Let's remove the lines and zoom in a bit. Let's see what we see. Yep. Okay, what do we see? let's start with some horizontal lines. So wait. Oh, yeah, this one. You know, it's just looking where the price has acted on, topped out or bottomed out. That's where you want to draw the supports and the resistance. This one is important, as you can see. This one is important as well. It's around 8k. And at 8k we still see the 200 moving average perfectly, exactly at 2k, or sorry, 8k. So yeah, and another retest of 8k wouldn't surprise me at all either. Yeah, there's just consolidation right now. The daily is forming a nice doji. Yeah, there's just not much to see here actually. So we will keep on drawing. Like, not much has changed. I always try to. Yeah, you could draw something like this maybe, but could we draw it like this? Nah, not really. Not really. We will zoom in again a bit more. Go to the hourly. Maybe we see something over there. Remove the lines again. Yeah, we can draw something like this. This one has broken, as you can see. Do we see something over here as well? Yeah, this one is important. We can, of course, make another retest on that one. Do we see something here again? Maybe. Yeah, could be. Could be. What else? What else? What else? I'm not seeing a trading setup right now. Yeah, this one plays a role, as you can see, with the closes. Yeah, and this one. I say we're between this one, and we will see what happens. We're consolidating a little bit, taking a breather, and yeah, let's see what people are betting on. We just look at bitmex.com. Let's see what the funding does. This period people are shorting a bit. Next period it's positive again, so it's people don't know. It's not like it's not like people don't know. It's more like it's kind of even, you know. So like a squeeze in either direction is not really the thing. It's not like it's very obvious we topped out, since people are, I don't know. It's quite even. If we do see something happen, of course, it's this monster line, the real monster line to break. That means if we break this one, it's party time for real. And yeah, we will start the next run, the bull run. So yeah, right now, yeah, very important place, of course, is this. But yeah, it's to point out the direction right now is for me kind of hard. Of course, after a pump like this, you could see some continuation, just like we've seen over here. One big pump to start it off, travel a little bit, and then, yeah, it went so quick. Man, it was so good. Let's take another look into our trade setup on Ethereum BTC. Wait a second. Here's our trade setup on Ethereum BTC. I am still in it. We are on a 1 weekly chart. If we break this one, this trend line, I will be out. I will be out. But still, it looks very juicy to me. If we break this trend line, a really hard trend line, we will break it eventually. It's just a matter of time. Yeah, and yeah, it will double from here, I think. It's of course the Ethereum BTC ratio. We have seen the last short bull market of 2019. Alts got totally crushed in Ethereum BTC, or like in alt BTC ratios, but yeah, they will be pumping again. they will be pumping again. This is getting very tight, as you can see, and sooner or later it will break. Taking another quick look at Ethereum USD weekly. Yeah, what to say? Nothing really. Of course, Ethereum is above the 200 moving average as well. I will zoom in a little bit more, go to the hourly. Yeah, we broke this one, as you can see. Are we finding support somewhere? Broke this one. Not looking too good actually. Yeah. For me, it's nothing really to trade on. This line does add up, but it's not something I would be trading actually. I never play shorts, so I do not look at short setups. Yeah, of course, like the 180 level and the 200 are supports. These levels, yeah, this is of course a big support. We tested it. We could go up from here again as well. What we did, we tested this level at exactly 200 and we can go up from here again. Would not surprise me. Let's zoom in a bit. I'm always looking at the higher time frames, never much at the 5-minute charts and stuff. It's still in a rising wedge if you ask me. But yeah, I don't know, like I don't see a certain trade setup over here. If I do, I will tell you on my Twitter account. Please follow me. I do see a clear trade setup on Ethereum BTC. Yeah, I'm just waiting for BTC as well. Of course, if you break this line, it will go very quick. We can expect a 1K candle. If it does happen, and of course we first need to break this one, the 10.5K, make a higher high, and yeah, from there on it will go very quick. So yeah, maybe some built-in buys over here if it does break. Well, that was it for today, guys. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what you think of the videos. You can follow me on Twitter as well, Bitcoin Edge. And yeah, if you have feedback or improvements or tips, always let me know, and I will respond to every message you send. So see you guys tomorrow, guys.